prior to installing the glazing, we're going to need to put our sealing tape around the edge of the glazing. Now on the end panel here, you'll need to put sealing tape on this surface here, running up to the ridge of the greenhouse. And then again, down the side here, and down the inside of here. There is no glazing tape placed on the bottom end. On the side wall, you will put sealing tape down the left and the right side of the frame only. There is no sealing tape underneath the gutter, and again there is no sealing tape along the sill panel. Now place the glazing panel in position underneath the gutter. Note we're using the glazing clip to hold it in position as we went through on the vent. It's the same procedure. Now the only other thing we've got to do with the panel is we fit the base retaining plate. This is the 3/4 angle sections that you received in your pack. Once the glazing's in, you place them in there, you'll push it into the glazing, and then using the 5/8 self-drilling screws, you'll drill through the sill and just lock it down in position. That will complete your sidewalls. We're now going to install the roof panel. Now before we install it again, as far as taping is concerned, you will tape down the left and the right side of the glazing bar only. You do not tape on the ridge or on the gutter section. Now to install the panel, please note the top of the panel has the sealing tape on it, the bottom of the panel is open, and we've installed the eave retaining plate like we did with the vent assembly. To place it into the unit, lift your panel up approximately a foot from the gutter and slide the top of the unit, top of the panel under the flange on the ridge plate and drop it down in position. This should allow your eave retaining plate to drop down into the small slot on the back of the gutter section. Then retain the unit with the clips. The clip again you want to put down, the first one wants to be down close to the eave retaining plate. This will hold the unit down and hold it solid on both sides. And then approximately 12 to 14 inches up spacings as you go up the panel. And that should be a common on all panels. You want to space your clips around 14-15 inches apart.